I had to take off the Overhaul mod because it was being too laggy. But we got this mod. We got our, normal mods. And I want to try the egg crown. Also, I made this offline, the rose slime staff. We still got the silverwood bow, the rusty nail, our granite warhammer. Anyways, let's summon the boss. He's 5 health. You fool, you dare that you think you can kill me? I am the mighty King Chicken, and I have come to annihilate you. So face me, mortal, and accept your fate. Are you letting me make the first move? Haha. That's it. I don't want to kill it. Can I, capture it with a bug net? No, I don't have one. The god does not fear death. I don't want to kill it. Oh, it hit me! Ah! Kill it! It actually dropped heaven armor. Is it better than nothing. That is actually pretty insane. I can summon. Oh my god! I can have a chick man cultist. That's kind of scary. Why? That is adorable. Oh my god, let's fight another one. It dropped heaven armor. Oh my god. I really don't want to kill it though. It's so cute. It's just a little chicken. What mod is this? So what is this? What is this? I need to see. Okay, well apparently I mined it and it's gone. Where's the chicken? Oh, it's all the way over there. Okay, so apparently this is some troll boss, I guess you could say. Why are there beehives? This is some sort of troll. Oh my. Okay, so let's see what this is. Let's see what mod this is. It's the redemption. Okay, yeah, it's some kind of troll redemption boss. Pile of grain summons a legendary chicken. We can have a chicken as a pet! Oh my god! Oh, that is awesome! It can fly too. Oh, it dropped heaven armor, so it technically does count as a boss. Heaven armor is a range set, and it's really good. I think we can take on King's. Let's get rid of this. I don't think we need that anymore. Let's take on King Slime. I have 17 Wolfram shards. Kind of want to make a Wolfram leggings. Let's make Wolfram leggings. And we could probably take on King Slime if we want. But I think we should take on Grand Thunderbird. Let's see. We need the Storm Flare and the Flare gun. Flare. Let's look up Flare. Maybe we can find a... Whoa. Lots of lunar flares here. Storm Flare. 1 arcane dust, 1 talon, and any iron bar. And then we need 4 arcane dust, 2 talons, and 4 of any iron bar. Okay. And we also need to do this in the desert, though. Let's go get the talons. I don't know if we have any talon. But I think we can beat the Grand Thunderbird. Oh, the desert's this way. Come on, chickens. My chickens, we shall do this. Oh my god, this thing does 1 damage. I don't want to, keep it out just because... Oh, yeah! I mined the meteorite and got all the meteorite stuff from that. Let's see, where'd I put that? Did I, though? I forgot if I did. I think I did. No, wrong. No, this. Oh my god, I am opening everything right now. We still have all these unloaded items. Okay, so we have this. We still have more chicken eggs. Do you want? I think we can craft one more. Oh, I can craft some of these. I think I need to craft 2. I can craft another chicken. I can make another chicken thing if I wanted to. I'm not going to, but if I wanted to. Just because the chicken was a funny boss. I swear, if the king chicken comes back later in the game, I wonder if there's any any bosses after Supreme. No, there is no bosses after Supreme Calamitous. But there is Ragnarok, which, okay. Oh, the Poltergeist. I forgot what mod that was. Where was it? It was right here. The Necroplasmic Beacon in the dungeon, or kill 30 phantom spirits. Okay, so that's way late in the game, like after Moon Lord. Let's go ahead to the desert. We have the iron, we have the arcane dust, we just need the talons. Oh gosh. Kill that, get its present, give me something good. Dog whistle, Christmas pudding, that will help. Okay, where are the vultures? What the heck is this? Something here. Cactus worm. You know, once we get infinite, like once we get an unlimited wooden arrow item, then we can just then we could just fire unlimited arrows and we'll be fine. What was that? I kind of want to go down and see what that was. A husk. Oh yeah, it's one of those shadow casters. Ooh, drop something. A wooden scepter. Whoa! Can you like shoot it? Let's see. Oh, I dropped it. Does it have like a right click attack? Oh my god, that stupid worm. It's being so annoying. Oh, it does! You can shoot like a shadow ball. Oh, so like once you have this out, you basically, they can't really hit you. That's really cool. It just doesn't do a lot of damage. Watch me. I'm gonna farm these. Oh gosh, they're hitting me. How? I am confused. They actually do inflict debuffs too. So that's really cool. Ha! Ooh, I got a sandstorm in a bottle. I think I already had one though. Yeah, we have one on. This is taking a while. Haha, I got your mandibles. Another cactus worm, I think. Or it's a sand tomb. It's a tomb sandy thing. Just heal up. Yep, that's dead. Let's see. Let's see. I don't think we can get that fossil stuff, so. I don't think vultures spawn at night, but we might have a talon or two. Oh, I dropped my gold crown. Oh, that's not good. We actually got 2 of these egg staffs. This one's agile, so put that in there. Let's get this. Let's get our metal. Forgot what key I put the Oh, a gold squirrel! Oh my gosh! I don't have a bug net! No! Oh, that sucks. My life. This is my life. Finding a gold squirrel doesn't have a bug net. Got some iron in here. I'm gonna have to avoid that gold squirrel. Like, it's not even there. It's just asking to be caught. I know it, but I can't. This is my life. Where are the talons? Do I have any talents? Really? That's actually kind of okay. I don't see anything that's really like, I don't see any talents. Do we have any? Let me change my controls up. Where is it? I'm trying to find the where's my items mod. Okay, let's put that back to Z. Oh, no, not left window, Z. Talent. Okay, so we don't have any talents. I don't think vultures spawn at night though. I think they spawn at day. I think we might be able to take on King Slime, and I think we have bombs too. Let me check. No, do we have dynamite? Yeah, we do have one. Sticky dynamite. I want to get that meteorite. Here, I don't think I can yet. I think we need to wait. Got sharpened nails. Oh, not really helpful, but okay. Oh, I missed that. Okay, I'm gonna grab that. Ooh, I think we got other gems in here. Do we? Okay, let me kill that rogue. Maybe that will possibly drop a gem or something. Sometimes rogues drop gems. Maybe it'll drop me a nice ruby or sapphire. We need sapphire to spawn there. Okay, drop sapphire. We're right. Okay, good. We need how many sapphire to spawn Scarabus? The Scarab Idol. Okay, the Scarab Idol takes 1 sapphire and 3 antlion mandibles at a demon altar. So I'm gonna turn one of these sapphires into a frostburn, and we just got some antlion mandibles, so that's good. TARDIS chest. That's so weird. Why is that a thing? Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's go get the antlion mandibles. Okay, and I think, let me just get that. Let me make two more, like, where are they? 2 of these. Here, let's make these first. Let's make a poison, make a freeze. Got a poison and a freeze. Let's put them up here. Here, let's put them up there. Oh, no, don't want to throw that out. Okay. We need to go mining, for more of those gems. We need more gems. We need the gems so we could get more. We need the gems so we can get more of these gem weapons. And those gem weapons we can use to, like, we can make one powerful gem weapon which inflicts almost every debuff in the game. Well, like, a lot of debuffs, just not almost every one of them. I don't know how many, not all the, like, damaging debuffs, and maybe some of, like, petrify. And then there's the pierce. The pierce just makes it so it can pierce things. And to get the pierce, we need diamonds, which I have no clue. That's gonna take a while to get, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Let's use this quick. Go down here. Okay. Oh, we can make the Armageddon. If any player dies while a boss is alive, the boss will instantly despawn. If a boss is defeated, but this active, it will drop 10 treasure bags. Using this while a boss is alive. Okay. Makes any hit while a boss is alive instantly kill you. So that's not good. If a boss hits me once, it will kill me. Let's grab the scarab idol. And we will spawn that. Oh, I don't. Now we gotta walk all the way back home because I forgot recall potions. Ow! No! Don't wanna die, don't wanna die. I'm not gonna die today. Wait, actually, you know what? Since we're here, let's go over to the meteorite and throw some bombs down there. So many of them. No! Yes! This gun, I mean, what? This bow is so overpowered. Ooh, what's this? Amethyst, nice. That makes the confuse, I believe. We need to get a map. Okay, the meteorite's still there. Yeah, so I didn't mine it. I forgot. I mined the meteorite in a different world. That's what happened. Ooh, can I mine this? Is that possible? I don't think I can. No, I cannot. Dang it. I wanted that. I don't want to use my bombs on it because I want to get that meteorite. I only have 2 bombs though, so who cares? It's one of those meteorite slimes. I think those drop meteorite too though. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty useful. Boom! We're gonna need some more bombs. We have no bombs. I mean, we got meteorite though. That's good. I think we need a gold pickaxe to mine meteorite. Oh gosh, meteorite head. This bow is insanely fast and does so much damage. This would be a hard mode weapon. Like this can last me. This single bow can last me the entire, a lot, like all the way up until I get a minigun. I mean a mega shark, not a minigun. I'm gonna get a minigun in Terraria. Huh? This is better than a mini shark. It's just the bow version. It's like the bow version of a mini shark. No, mega shark. This would be the bow version of mega shark. It's really overpowered and really good. Anyways, let's get back home. I think we might be able to make something with this 31 meteorite. It's not a lot. We still have 4 in our chest too, so that's like 35 meteorite. I guess that makes a slight difference. Oh, I clicked something. Okay. Jeez, that was annoying. 35 meteorite so far. That's what we have. Or 35 meteorite ore. If it was bars, then that would be a lot better. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make a lot. I don't think we're really gonna be able to make anything. It takes like 4 meteorite to make one, I think. So there it is. Okay, meteorite. Here. Iron shield, iron spear. Oh, we can make this, the Fulv's arcane bolt. Oh, this is a really good weapon, but I want to make that magic staff. So let's wait until later. Okay. We made 11. They're like a meteor. Ooh, a meteor fist. So that's actually itself is a really good Kerbal cannon. What's a Kerbal? Okay. We can make the meteorite helmet, but that's not what I want to make. I want to make. Oh, we can make a harmonica. I want to make the meteor fist. Let's keep that on me. Woo! Die, chicken. That can stay. Okay, we got Scarabus. We gotta fight Scarabus. Oh, we gotta watch out for those golden things. I think I'm not sure how much damage they do. I just know they do a lot of damage. So Scarabus is a really challenging boss. But once you do kill him, it's pretty rewarding because he gives some good stuff. I'm just gonna keep shooting this. Oh gosh, oh god. No, 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 no. No! Oh, he killed me! Okay, that sucks. Maybe we should fight Grand Thunderbird first because you gotta watch out for those golden things. I don't know what they are. We also need some health. Is he still here? No, he's gone. Okay, we need to fight. Let's fight King Slime actually. I think we'll be able to do him. Where's King Slime? Oh, where's my slimy spawner thing? Maybe if we fight King Slime, we'll get the mount and then we'll do good. Oh, I have gold in here. We might be able to make a golden pickaxe and vein mine it. Oh, no, I can't. I don't have the materials. I don't know. I think it takes 11 gold. So if we get more gold, we might be able to make it. Gold. Okay, gold pickaxe. We have 8. It takes 12. We could also, can we make that? No, that takes 10. So we only have 8. Maybe we have more. If I'm lucky. Nope, we don't. Okay. Let's fight King Slime. I don't know if we'll be able to beat him. Where is he? He's over there. Oh gosh, he teleported. Oh, he did so much. What? You know, King Slime's just gonna jump up here. Oh, maybe he can't. No, he can. He definitely can. Maybe he can. I'm not sure. Eventually he's gonna do it. I know he is. We just need to be very, very careful. If he can, I think that would just be really lucky. Wow. I don't think he's going to teleport up here because we're not high enough for him to teleport. Yeah, he can't teleport up here. We did it. Oh, nice. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. I need to get loot bag, loot bag. Okay. Let's kill all the slimes. No, we could make another slimy thing and slimy crown after this. Should have saved my gold. I had gold because I had to make the crowns, but oh, we got the last of the heaven set, so we can use that. We also got the King Slime trophy. A shadow diamond. I don't know what that does. Quick stack. Put this down right here. That'd be nice. Nice and fancy. So we got the slimy saddle. We don't need a slime hook because we already have our hook. Ninja hood looks cool, so I'm gonna put it. Oh, we have 2 of these crowns. I don't know where that came from. I think if you kill the chicken, you get one. Okay, that's good. Oh, we need to finish our questing stuff. The Forest of Vengeance. 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 Is there one? It'll be somewhere in the forest. Okay. Let's chop down a tree and maybe it will come. I think that's what you need to do. Right? No. And chop down a tree. Come here, you stupid tree. I know it's a tree that just flies around. It's a flying tree, guys. It's not there. It would say on the map. It spawns already. I don't know. Let's just okay, so I want to get more gold, so I need to find a cave. Do we have a cave? No, we don't have a cave. We could go to the jungle, but I don't want to because that's dangerous. So oh jeez, bee. That's a hornet. Why is there a hornet? Yeah, I don't think we need the ninja shirt. I don't think we need the gel, the antmine. I don't need any of this stuff. We just want to make... Okay, so we can make a confuse, which I'm going to make that. Arcane dust. The confuse. I'm going to leave this here. Oh, it's dynamic. Put that there. Put that there for now. Go ahead and find ourselves a cave. And once we find the cave, we will mine in it. And wait, maybe there's an ice cave somewhere. Yeah, there's one down there, but that's not. Oh, there's a cave right here. Well, is it a good cave or is it just one of those stupid holes? It's just one of those stupid holes. Okay. Let's find a cave. Find ourselves a cave, and then we'll be back. We found something, which we're in a new biome. Did I get any healing potions? Yes, I did. Oh shoot! What was that? Ooh, what's this? Oh, it spawns like a little thorn thing. Okay, it's called the Thorn Wild Staff. Let's get rid of that. It spawns whatever that is. And then there's some bottles in here. I don't think we need those. The Altar of Creation. Oh, what's this? A rusty buckler. Oh, we already have one. Okay, we don't need that, but I do want the silver. We have 3 gold. I just noticed that. Just hope we survive. Okay, so we found this weird biome. It has a pretty cool music. Ooh. It's taken over the dungeon. And there's a bunch of beehives on the dungeon. Oh god! We've angered the bees! The bees! Kill them all! I guess there are bees here now. Huh. Boom. Oh, there's a hornet. Bees! Beware the bees. Is this it? Is this it? Okay. I want to try and find a water bolt. There's nothing there, no. There! Water bolt! Oh, we got lucky! Taboo water bolt. Aw, it has more mana cost, though. I think we'll be fine. Let's put this poison down. There's also a chest up here. I'm pretty sure you can get a boomerang, which would be nice. But I don't know if I'd... Oh! Marksman revolver. Huh. Got a gun. And we got... There's also this thing called bismite, which I think can make some good stuff. I'm not sure. Let's see what it can make. Okay, bismite. It can make armor and stuff. A bismite staff. We can make all this stuff, I think. All the weapons. A toxin potion. Okay. I want to find a cave, though. That's what we came here for. Oh, I'm getting low. Ooh, a tree. Sometimes those trees lead into a cave. I don't want anything to move in here. Why are there beehives everywhere? I don't know. I'm not doing that. Okay, so this is just some water. Oh, shoot. Okay, no bees came out. Probably because it fell into the water. Flaming claws? Okay. Can't grab them yet. Let me just replenish air. I don't know. I want to get more health, like hearts. I want to get more life hearts, but I don't think I can. Let's just keep looking. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, the ocean. Should we YOLO into it? What the heck? Why is it orange? Skeleton Warden. Force. Whoa! I'm dead? And I dropped all my gold. Come on, game. What was that for? I just wanted to explore. So we got this altar of creation. I don't know what it does. I'm guessing it crafts stuff. Ooh. I don't think we can really, oh, there's 2 gold in here. I think we did have a gold. But, I want to fight here. What can we do? I do want to, I need to find a cave. Oh, gosh. I need to find the cave. I need to clear my throat. Oh, whoa! Forest Vengeance! We did it! We found it! Oh, shoot! What was that? Haha! Whoa! I killed something, and I do not know what. Aw, dang it! The stupid boss. Does it have to be night while it's here? Why? Can it turn day? It just turned night. Oh gosh, it's back, it's back. Aha. Get me now, you stupid boss. Aha, we did it. We got a strange seed. Oh my god, why? What are all these things here? These purple things. I don't... Okay. Quest. Arcane Sapling. It can be upgraded with items to assist you. Ooh. Oh, so you can, like, give it stuff and it'll fight for you? Okay, so we'll take an amethyst staff and it'll become amethyst sapling. And you can have a glow stick and we'll give it a glow stick. A spelunker glow stick, and it'll become spelunker sapling. And then it also has shield. It can throw. It can have a sword. You just need to give it a tin short sword or a copper short sword. It can even do it with a bow. But okay, that's interesting. Flowering cactoid. So this one's a desert boss, and this one you get cactuses that will fight for you. Oh my god, the internet is being annoying. I don't like it. We need to fight. What were we gonna? Okay. Well, we need to find a cave. There are no caves in this world. I swear. There are none. I don't think we need that slime hook. We can make a mana crystal, which I'm gonna make. Okay, let's continue past this. Let's go over to the jungle. I guess we're gonna have to search the jungle. Hi. Oh gosh. Okay, all this purple stuff is really stupid. It's from the one of the mods I deleted. I deleted the Overhaul mod, so all this purple stuff is here now. Thanks a lot, Overhaul. Because Overhaul was getting extremely laggy. Like, so laggy to the point that I could barely move. Oh god, I am super low on health. What do I do? I'll just sit here and hope I don't die. What's that? Kill it. Kill them all. Oh, drop the heart. Drop the heart. Go, go, go. Hearts, hearts, hearts. We got the Book's Shackle, which increases my range damage by quite a bit. But this one gives us more health. I'm gonna stick with the health because that's way more, because I just need more health. I don't know. Pyramid head. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Kill the zombie. And now we got another sandstorm in the bottle to sell. This bow is way... What's this? A husk skull. Melee attacks can absorb enemy health. I'm gonna put that on for now. And absorb some health. Put that on just for now. Just for now. Not forever. I want to put this on so I could. Here, I think this is a melee weapon. Yeah, this is a melee weapon. This is a really good melee weapon too. Okay, the flowering cactus. Oh. Okay, it's right there. Let's try it. There's cactites. Let's put on my heaven skull. Let's close the map because we're just gonna see it. And it's up here. No, it's not apparently. Okay, it's down there. Slightly down here. Let's hope this boss isn't too hard. There it is! Oh gosh, okay, okay. It's flying at us. It can fly. Why am I opening my map? What is happening? It's flying. It can fly. Yes, keep it in place. Oh, perfect. This bow is so OP. Yes, we did it. The cactoid petal. That was pretty insane. Okay, we can make 2 of these. Oh, I can make a staff one of these. Should we do it? It's equipable, so I don't know. I'm gonna take this off for now. Put that on. Oh, it shoots from my back. I have to be facing the other way for it to shoot, though. Or do I? I'm not sure. Will it shoot? Will you shoot something for me? Oh, coin portal! Oh, we got so much gold. I shouldn't be doing this, but I am. I just want to find a quick... What was that? Oh, it's Osk. I just want to find some gold quick. That's it. If I'm low on health, I'll recall. I don't have a recall potion. Crap. I'll have to find a recall potion. We have to be super careful, though. I'm going to be using my melee fist. My meteor fist of doom. 12 gold is a lot of gold, and I don't want it to go to waste. Let's keep going. Oh, gosh. Great job, flower guy thing. I don't know if where is the jungle? The jungle cave thing. Oh, there's another one of these, but I guess I already used that. Oh, okay, recall potions. We'll use that when we're in super danger. Super danger. Like, very low. We've already been here. Oh, shoot. I would do it now, but we're not that low. I think we can survive a little bit. A blank glyph. The enchanter. I don't know who that is. I'm just going to get rid of it for now. Oh, come on. Seriously? Does the corruption have to take over the jungle? All I wanted was a nice peaceful afternoon in the jungle trying to find some gold. But the corruption took over it. Oh, thanks a lot, corruption. Now what? We need to find a cave, and the jungle's the only place that we can actually find a cave in. Well, I mean, we can find caves other places, but we've basically explored the entire Earth. The only thing we can possibly do is just dig straight down and hope we can find a cave that way. But it's still jungle. Maybe if we keep going, we'll find a cave. I just want to find, like, the jungle, the big jungle cave. That's where the... Okay, well, I think this is a normal desert. I mean, which is supposed to be the normal beach. You gotta beware of sharks. Why is there all this? Oh, look, a chest. Okay. Flippers. I'm gonna put that on quick. Rejuvenating flippers. What does that do? +1 life regen. Oh, that's super useful. Okay, let's go down. Again. Risk the chance of being attacked by... Whoa, what's this? A new biome? Gold coin? That thing just one-shot me! And I lost all my gold! Oh, well, not all of it. And I just had a really weird voice crack. Like, what? Okay. What's this? A furious forging. Can't really be used for impersonating YouTubers, but whatever. I'm confused. Okay, let's put all this stuff away. I think we need a new chest, another chest. Oh my god, move. Wait, what? Oh, I have dual wielding on. Okay. Let's get rid of some stuff. I don't need the raincoat. The husk skull is pretty useful. Put back on that shackle. No, that's the wrong shackle. Here it is. The hardy shackle. That's what we need to put on. Oh, we need to give the cactoid flower to him. Maybe I think after that we give the slimy jewel. What's this? Ooh, non-corrupted cactoids become friendly, fight for you, and regenerate health occasionally. Summons a cactoid. Ooh, what do we take off? I'm gonna take off that. I know what this does, and it's really good. Let's take the King Slime Jewel. I think we need to talk to him again. There we go. We got a slime staff. We have a flamethrower. No, it's a fire flinger. It's like the same thing though. A duck. Okay. We didn't find a cave, but we did get a life crystal, so that's helpful. Well, okay, so what are we gonna do? We got all this. Okay. Let's grab the eater staff for now. Oh, a cactoid. Maybe we can maybe once we let these like cactoids spawn, we can fight another scarabus. Oh, we don't have the let's grab all this gel so we have ammo for the fire flinger. If I shoot the cactoid bullet... Oh, I can't shoot the cactoid. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Well, let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going, and maybe we'll try and find a snow cave. Because snow caves are really pretty good. Maybe we'll find an ice sword. That's my goal. Let's just dig down. Oh, we have 2 of them now. Huh. They're just spawning. Well, guys, we'll see you when we find a cave. Guys, we found something. We found another thing before, but it really wasn't anything. Oh, this says demon altar in it. I guess I'll check it out. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's safe. Let's go in. We're not very deep underground, so let's hope that there's something here. Yeah, I don't really see anything. Soon we can take on Wall of Flesh, you know? I mean, not soon, but like... Ooh, there's a life crystal. Oh shoot, I'm running out of air, oxygen, whatever. I mean, it would look like we have the items to do it, but because like this bow and this armor set is really OP, but we really don't. Like, I don't know if we can win against Eye of Cthulhu. Oh, there is. Well, there was a life crystal here. We just need we need that, more of that. But I guess I'll just continue looking for something useful. Okay, guys, I found what we were looking for, gold. But how are we gonna get it? That's the question. I call it vein miner, my new invention. Dang it. Okay, we want to try and get past this icy puzzle of doom. That cactoid's being kind of annoying, just flopping around. Oh, okay, that was it. Well, we got the gold, and we can make a gold pickaxe, which means we can make the meteorite. We can get all the meteorite, but I kind of want to try and keep looking. I mean, once we get that meteorite and maybe some better, and I kind of want to take on, I want to take on, what's it called? The Goblin Army. But we need to be Eye of Cthulhu first anyways. So I think we should try, maybe we have lenses to fight Eye of Cthulhu. I do want to fight Eye of Cthulhu. Get whatever he has. We need to fight Scarabus actually. We need to finish him off. We could do better this time, I'm not sure. I mean, we have magical cactuses, and that's my dog barking. We have stuff, so we need chests. I should have mined the chests over at the what's it called? At the jungle. I mean, soon we're gonna go back to the dungeon. I mean, after we fight Eye and Queen Bee, all that good stuff. But what's the aglet? How can we craft an aglet? It's 5. Okay. Frostbite armor. What does that do? Kind of curious. How do I make it? Oh, it's gold. It's a bunch of ice blocks. Okay, so I'm offline for about 15 minutes, and this happened. What happened? These cactuses are everywhere. They're trying to take over my house. Let's make some more gold. Oh, we have 12. Exactly 12. That's enough to make one of these, which can mine meteorite, as it says. Now, we made it. Ours is light. Which is good, because it makes it faster. Now we're gonna go to the meteorite. Oh, what's this? Tin broadsword. Where did this come from? Huh. Okay. Well, let's continue. Find the meteorite. I think it does. Oh, this is the same amount of damage as the old nail. But the old nail's better because look how fast it is. We're gonna go to the meteorite. We're gonna mine that meteor. We have our army of cactuses to help us out here. Where are the rest of them? There are so many more. Now there's only 4. Let's keep going. Okay, so now they all went missing. Why? Where are they? They just got stuck on something, I guess, and never found their way back. Shoot. Guess I'm gonna have to wait for some more to spawn. I need something to protect me. What was that? I'm on fire, I'm on fire. Oh gosh. Okay. But we got wood. We can put down some. Is that a UFO? There's a UFO. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Okay, let's watch this madness. Oh! Dramatic music. Insert dramatic music here. Oh my god. So much meteorite, guys. So much. All we needed was a gold pickaxe for it. Some meteorite fell down there, so we're gonna need to go down there to get that. But there's also quite a bit of meteorite up here, which I'm gonna grab right now. Oh, what was that? It's like a dog. Something. I think it was an eater. Oh shoot! Fire, fire. Okay. We need an obsidian head skull thing. Whoa! Come on! Really, game? We got 300 meteorite, which means first I can make a lot of meteorite bars, so that's good. Let's just do that. Wait a bit. Wait a minute. Wait for it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. 101. 102. Okay, so this takes 15, 20, 10. Let's make the meteorite armor. I don't know if I'm gonna have much left after making this. Okay, so we still have 57, which is quite a lot. Let's make a space gun. Signature weapon of the meteorite. We could also make this, which increases my minions, but that's not what I want. Ooh, the meteorite obi. We're gonna need to make a thorium mod let's play soon, because there's so many things in the thorium mod, new stuff. Let's make that. I want to make this thorium ham axe. We don't have a hammer, and our axe is just copper. Let's make that. And then I guess we could try and get some more meteorite quick. Let's put this on. Unpleasant. Nice. Okay. Let's get that. Meteorite head. Summon it. Nice. Okay, now we got that. Let's take this. I don't think we need that piercing quartz anymore. I can just get rid of that. I don't need the thorn wild staff. Don't need the harvester parts. I don't actually, what does this even make? It's an expert item. Oh, it just makes the harvester items, which I've tried it before and I don't know how to use it. So, I also can make some snowballs, which I'm gonna do. I can make unlimited snowballs. I just need like 3,000. It's literally an item called unlimited snowballs, and it's just helpful, I guess. Huh, I have 4,000 now. I need to make it at a workbench though, so we'll make that soon. Let's just get to the corruption, mine the rest of the meteors. We also got more moon flare fragments. So I don't really need this egg staff, even though it's really funny to have. It's just a funny little item. Whoa, what's that? Ebonian bright slime? Huh. Dropped something. It dropped blighted gel. Eventually this makes armor, I believe. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Why am I so low? What? What? That was not fair. Come on. So after we fight the boss, after we fight, the Eater of Worlds, we will get the shadow scales. If we get some lead, more blight, we have enough blighted gel and even stone blocks, we could get an item called the corrupted crusher blade, which looks pretty good. I mean, it does 39 damage, so I want that. We need some lenses. Okay guys, there's a UFO. I want to fight it and I'm gonna kill it with my water bolt. It can't really hit us, so I don't think we need to. You know, guys, we did what we needed. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And next time, I am planning to fight the Eye of Cthulhu. Oh, the unlimited snowballs. Let's make that. We got the flare. Okay. Actually, no. I want to fight the Grand Thunderbird next time. That's our plan for next episode. We'll fight Grand Thunderbird and Eye of Cthulhu. And possibly fight something else, some other stuff. Let's see what we got. Scarabus, Grand Thunderbird, Desert Scourge, Eye of Cthulhu, the ICU, Crabulon, then Goblin Army, which we do need. We need the Tinker's Workshop. But there are a lot of bosses. You know what we could do? We could fight Eater of Worlds next episode also. Because to me, Eater of Worlds isn't like the hardest boss ever. We could try Eater of Worlds. It's not like we're in Revengeance mode where it shoots like cursed flames everywhere. Maybe we have some. I forgot, it was like flesh. I don't know. I kind of want to try and get to the Eater of Worlds very soon. But if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And with that being said, this is a better melee weapon than this. But this is really good itself, so. And with that being said, we'll see you all next time. Bye.